Yo, so I had an incredible time at the Mets game getting a Samsung jersey. And I'm on my way home, but I wanted to talk to you guys about something pretty interesting. I brought my mirrorless camera, Samsung NX1, and I brought my phone. Now, when at these events, one wants to do social media like ASAP, post everything. But when it comes to using a camera versus a phone, you almost go to your phone most of the time. Light looks like I can't cross, but yeah, car is there. I was almost about to cross. Sometimes your phone doesn't quite get those shots that you want to get. So what do you do with that case? I'm going to share a helpful tip. Now, if you're new to my channel, definitely consider subscribing. I like to talk about cameras in terms for video. And in this particular conversation, I'm going to talk about the ability for many modern cameras to actually make it easy for you to share your social media. So, first of all, I use the Canon R5. I've got the Samsung NX1 now. Now, the Samsung NX1 is what taught me that. Back in older models of Android phones and even iPhones, you could download the video straight to your phone that you recorded off of your NX1 wirelessly. Now, you can do that too as well on modern cameras. I think Lumens could do it. I think the R5 can do it. And this is a feature that I recommend that some people that don't know about it, I'm telling you, it's a good feature to have. Now, I'm going to walk you through the Canon R5 version, but again, there's different ways to do it with different cameras. Now, with most cameras and with the Canon camera, you have to download a Canon application, the Camera Connect app. From there, sync it up to your actual camera. There's different ways of doing it. With the Canon R5, it lets you do it with like local networks or connect directly to your phone, especially if you're out and about. Now, what you do from there is connect to the Wi-Fi of the camera that it broadcasts and do it on your phone. Once your phone connects to the camera, go into the camera app, and then you're able to not only download pictures and video, but you're also able to live view and shoot remotely with your phone using your camera. So that's pretty cool. But one of the things specifically with the Canon R5 that you got to keep in mind is that if you record it in log, you will not be able to transfer that video. It has to be with a regular picture profile. If you record 10-bit log, it's not going to be able to do that. But with a lot of quick social media videos, you want to post it immediately anyway. So you don't want to have to color grade and color correct it anyway. So set that picture profile up regularly, and then you can download the video onto your phone. From there, edit or tweak whatever you need to do on your phone and post it to social media. Now, again, not as convenient as doing it from your phone, but sometimes you either have the extra little zoom off of your mirrorless camera, or you got that look that you definitely preferred off your mirrorless camera. So you don't need a computer to be able to do all of that. Just want to share that quick tip. Let me know what you think. Like, share, and you can make my day if you subscribe today and snag this. I'm going home. See you guys later. Thank you.